All right, Tuesday morning. So we're seeing the markets take a bit of a breather after the record day we saw yesterday. Both the S&P and the Dow Jones closing at record highs off of that Moderna news with a 94.5% efficacy rate in that big announcement yesterday morning, giving those markets a big boost. Now this morning, both the Dow and the S&P pulling back. Dow down roughly 160, S&P's off 15 or so. Nasdaq pretty much flat heading into the open. You look at some of the other markets, oil relatively flat, quiet this morning. And in FX, where we're seeing some movement is in that British pound in particular. So British pound just shy of 1.33, trading ups on speculation that the UK is going to come to a trade deal with the EU as soon as or as early as next week. So we're seeing that sterling trade higher and seeing some strength on the back of that. Now, that being said, we had a retail sales number out today. Rest of the week, relatively quiet on the economic calendar front. We do have a couple of Fed governors speaking over the course of the next few days, something to be aware of there. Want to give a shout out real quick for you traders that are involved in our first Nadex demo trading competition. Great job yesterday. We had a couple thousand people involved in there actively trading the markets, trading the moves. The top individual right now, just over $90,000 in total P&L on that first day. So amazing results coming out of that. Hope everybody's having a good time, and we look forward to hosting these in the future. So to learn more about these in the future, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We're constantly out promoting some of these competitions where perhaps you in our next competition could stand to win $5,000. All right, folks, have a good one. Let's go get it today. Bye-bye.